talk about the properties of the cardiac muscle, and we find that the cardiac muscle have 4 properties. The first one being chronotropism, also known as automicity. The second property is excitability, also known as bathmotropism. Then we have the third property being contractility, also known as inotropism. Then we have the very last property being conductivity, also known as the dromotropism. So we are going to check these properties one by one, and we are going to start with the very first one, the chronotropism, also known as the excitability. Also known as the automicity. Automicity is the ability of the cardiac muscle to depolarize spontaneously without stimulation from the nervous system. And we find that there are some factors that affect chronotropism. One of the factors affecting chronotropism, we find that physical factors. We also find chemical factors to be affecting chronotropism. Then we have cardiac innervation affecting chronotropism. Those are some of the things that affect the automicity of the heart. Now let's go to the second property of the heart, that's excitability, also known as bathmotropism. Excitability is the ability of the cardiac muscles to respond adequately to the stimulus, generating an action potential. And we find that there's, just as the chronotropism, there are some factors that affect the bathmotropism. And example of these things affecting the bathmotropism are cardiac innervation. We also have physical factors. We have the chemical factors. They never miss. If in case you don't have any answer to give, those 3 answers, they apply in all the properties of the cardiac muscle. Then after contractility, we have the conductivity, also known as dromotropism. Conductivity is the ability of the cardiac muscle fibers to conduct the cardiac impulse from the SA node to the cardiac impulse. They usually originate from the SA node. So that's the function of that's the last property of the cardiac muscles. That's all I had for today. So make sure, if you found the video to be helpful, make sure you don't forget to like, and let's meet in the next